welcome back to Shan ZenZen Jamaican Vibes. We're going to visit Mr. Graham. See Jordan here, a smile off his face. Hey Jordan. Hey, what going man? You not long to see me? Yeah. Come give me a hug, man. Are your school bag this, you know, Jordan? This is your school bag. From a donor from Florida, anonymous lady. You like your school bag? Look at it.
Yeah.
Now what kind of bag is that?
Superman.
A Superman, and who is on it? No man, that a Wonder Woman. It's a whole lot of different characters. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright. Petagay is here?
Yeah, Mandeville.
She's in Mandeville?
Yeah.
What's she doing in Mandeville?
Keep look at time with the woman.
Which woman? Is a lady that help you guys?
No. Not that,
She's from Canada?
no. But China here.
Okay. Alright, help me with this. This is some paint patch for your father, Mr. Graham. This is some groceries. Alright. So we're going to see Mr. Graham. Jordan said Petagay is not here. It's very windy. Wait for me, Jordan. I'm afraid of the dog. Okay. Is who doing farming here? Oh, the gentleman next door. Oh, me think of Mr. Graham a farm. Me now what the dog said, you know, I'm afraid of the dog them. Mr. Graham. Clearing my throat before me come to your yard. How you doing?
I know you look good.
Me bring one bag of grocery for you, Mr. Graham.
Yes, man, you look good, man. Put it.
Oh, let me put it, because it's heavy.
You know, I'm video it and so.
Aye.
Put it up.
Yes, so we bring some food. Oh, this is for Petagay. This
Yes.
this slippers is for her.
Yeah, from Friday they have her down there. So I just call the lady again and make she know. Because I tell her to come by 4 o'clock.
Right.
And she don't come. So I call her them say she be a man with and so. But she come later on, maybe the lady will call her must say.
Oh, how was she going to test?
No sir, one lady will up the so where had the
Yeah.
store up so.
Right.
Yeah, if your sister come from Canada and see her and love her.
Oh, so yeah, she's gonna spend time.
Yeah, she don't but on Friday.
Oh.
She asked me to make she go down for sometime on weekend and you know, so them guys, them carry so but on Friday, so them could have read me tell her to make her come back. Tuesday the lady said Friday, but I said go.
Okay, look on this. Let me take them from you. This is from Nurse Jackie. She's a nurse in New York.
Yes, ma'am.
She sent you some paint patch.
Okay, I can open it.
Hold this, Jordan. Let me hold it for Mr. Graham. Hold this. Just hold this. Just hold it for me. Anyway, you have the paint.
Yeah.
You just put it there. And it's stick on it. Patch it.
Oh.
Hold on. Oh, it's a bag gone so tight.
It looks like it's tight.
Can I open it up there? The airport, I'll look for it.
Let's start it up there.
Yeah. Right. So a paint patch, them one you know,
Yes, they
or
look
the
like
paint
iron
patch.
pill.
No man, I see him pain and fever pill.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you have, anyway you have a pain.
Put it funny.
Yes.
Alright, mom, I'll open it now.
It's now a Jordan school bag.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is from a lady from Florida.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get it right. We want Superman and
All kind of different
all kind of
characters.
bad man, the funny.
Him love it, Jordan love it.
Yeah, man, they were thinking you want to go to school. But put it back and make sick video.
Put down the soap.
Put them there something same place where she have a video. Oh yes, Nurse Jackie, thank you please, ma'am. God bless.
Yeah, man, she always a check, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, man, yes. So you still a go to church?
Yeah, man, we still go to church, but we go a couple days now, but because the transport, so the brother say, the mission them was here today, so them say we are go. Somebody I'll get a vehicle from Monroe, so when I come now, I'll just pick up us.
Right. Right.
And them go to church on Saturday and Sunday, same way. So, but Mr. Williams gone a foreign for 2 months. So this in the in about 6 weeks, so we are looking seven maybe to the end of the month.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But me carry some food kind, man, some cooking oil and, you know, rice and flour. And,
yeah, man.
You know, you like tuna, you say, and sardine.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
I'm glad for that, man. I'm most glad.
Yeah, man, so.
I'm glad to see it because
long time.
A long strong
me come before me leave about 3 weeks before me leave, me they come up here. I was away for a month and like almost a week.
Wow.
Yes. Doing my back to school treat. You see, if you could have get Jordan and Petagay to come, if you could get a drive and get them there, they would have enjoyed the back to school treat.
Yeah,
because we're going to have bounce about and...
That's where we're out of here with.
Down by Precious Plain, down at the early childhood. No, man.
Precious Plain.
It's close to 4 roads down Nain side, close to Nain.
Oh.
Yeah.
I know how them could get come. I know transport we drop.
I wonder if Miss Shan could have bring them. You remember the lady that came here that came with Petagay, took me to the dentist? That lady, Charmaine, man, and she come here one day and was talking to you. She's gonna come with a lady we plant peanut and her daughter, so me wonder.
So she drive?
She not drive, man, but she, like if she, you know, get the fear if you bring them, she will bring them.
I know her, man, I know her. She lives somewhere down at Southfield.
Yes.
She lives down at
I'm going to ask her, because they would have enjoyed themselves, you know?
Yes, they would get.
Have water balloon, bounce about. You're going to have a Batman superhero.
Yes.
You can take picture with.
Yeah, man. We don't have no counteraction from them from come, but I hope them will get a chance.
Me I go contact Charmaine and find out.
Alright, man.
Alright, so me sure when me bring for you. This soap is not necessary for Petagay, no, it's just this soap me bring for you, you know?
Soap.
Right, so them here macaroni and cheese.
Yes, man.
Jordan say I love macaroni and cheese.
Man, he love everything.
So I share up the oil.
Yes, man.
You know, half of the bottle,
yes,
and enough coming out the bottle.
Yes.
It's a chocolate tea.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Corned beef.
Yes, man. You get book.
Sardine.
Yes, man.
Book is going to be at the back to school treat. That's why I want you guys to come. Me not get the barrels them yet. So when me get the barrel, me set the date. Me have a date, but me want to make sure me get them first. Them juice here, you want one juice to drink? You're welcome. And you eat this, Mr. Graham?
Yeah, man. Herring.
Yeah, man. And sugar?
Yeah, man. Every little thing.
Yeah, man. Every little things.
Yeah, yes.
Mackerel. Condensed milk. Flour in there too and rice and
yes,
tuna. Some tuna in there.
Yeah, man. The tuna, we love them.
Corn, sweet corn, sausage in the for you and Petagay Jordon here.
Yeah.
And I did some more corn. Yeah, man. So
yes,
some little things. So it's from an anonymous donor, that barrel that I opened the other day from.
Yes, please,
yes. Alright, so me pack up back your things. Jordan, you put them in the container in the house, here?
Yeah. It's on this one.
Okay.
Book.
You gotta get book, man. You gotta get book. I just wait for the
I'm
things.
Mr. William come from foreign to you know, so Mr. William now come and you kind of here.
Yeah.
You
Say-
know about a book more coffee because come like say maybe gone do like a summer class.
Exactly. So you don't have to worry
Teacher
yourself.
be, you know,
We know them a teacher, man.
big time teacher to a Hampton, the wife, the husband teacher Hampton, the wife teacher Monroe before them go away.
Oh. Alright, so next time we come back again, me I go contact you about how to get them to the back to school
yes,
tree.
Yes, ma'am. You know, so you call me, them alright.
Yes.
Them get to come.
Yes, man. So Mr. Graham, how the heart test went? Because I remember you had a heart test to do with 45,000.
Yes, $45,000, and then they said the valve, the 4 valve leak.
Oh.
So they say them have to monitor me every 4 months.
So every 4 months you have to go get the 45 to do it?
Yeah, me not certain how it will go. Me not know how it will go, but I would have to 45,000 to do that test.
So how?
No, they would have to go on the treadmill, but the foot no strong enough to
Right.
manage the treadmill. So they inject me with some medicine and raise up the heart with the medicine.
Oh.
So we have me lie down on the back and the medicine and raise. So the doctor, she can't leave from around me. She have to be there watching what going on till
Yeah.
when she see it go up on the screen.
Right.
You know, then she stop and look. But what she said the 4 valve leak.
Okay.
The blockage, she said the blockage is not there, but the 4 valve leak.
Okay. So, but you make your brother know, the brother that you never used to talk, and now you and him.
Well, from what day every month, but this is, yes, the lady was sent the donation with me cousin. She said, help with the heart test. And then one lady from up, where she come from? She said her sister here with some growth.
Yes, I know that lady. I know who you're
Yes.
talking. Yeah.
I think she lives, I don't know where she lives in her parents.
She live in America, but her
Yes.
sister is from Mandeville.
Yes, Christiana.
Christiana side, yes.
So one day she called me and she bring a couple items to me. I hear from her. She called her several times, but I hear from the sister of her. Well, she's been going to church and so everything changed up.
Yeah.
Things with the guys, the bishop tell me say, if I'm going to church, watch and see how things now go. And then I look around to see it change too.
Your brother, when I talk to you in years.
Years. But you don't know what to do. It's probably not healthy, too healthy. Thanks to the lady from far for the food.
Yeah, man. You're welcome. Glad to see you again, man.
Yeah, man, we're there, see you again.
Alright, how Jordan I laugh. Alright, Jordan. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shan ZenZen Jamaican vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor.